Clams are bivalve mollusks, and they're similar to scallops and mussels, but they have a distinct and unique taste that I love in my baked clams Neptune. These are Portobello mushrooms. There's all sorts of mushrooms out there. Button mushrooms, those are the little white ones. Cremini mushrooms, they're slightly larger and brown, but these Portobellos are a super tasty mushroom. Fish are the only thing with gills, and if you just take a spoon like that and scrape them off, you don't want them when they cook. They don't taste that good and they turn black, so just use a spoon and remove it. I'm making clams Neptune, and it's a mixture of clams and everything tart and creamy. And these mushrooms are gonna act as my boat, but I wanna pre-cook them just a little bit, and it's really simple. Cup up. Olive oil, salt and pepper. Good luck, Buttercup. Clams Neptune. Now, you might have had a Neptune at a steak restaurant, and usually it's made with crab, but this is a great twist on that. These are baby clams, and I love them because you can buy them pre-cooked. Cream cheese. I love the tart flavor of cream cheese and the creaminess. It's really good balance, and it goes great in the clams Neptune. I just like to break the cream cheese up a little bit. It's less work. Sour cream. That's exactly how it sounds. And I love the creaminess it adds, but just a little bit. I want just a little bit more cream cheese than sour cream. Now, I broke up the cream cheese for a reason, and this is it. You don't want to do this part of the recipe like in a food processor. You want to use your hands because you want the clams nice and chunky. I want some garlic in there, but I don't want to hand chop it. I like using the microplane because I can get little bursts of garlic all over. I love that. Look at how fine it is. And in with my gear. A few things to finish it up. Salt, black pepper. Smoked Gouda. This is a great melting cheese, and it goes so well with the clams, the sour cream, and the tartness in the cream cheese. Wow. And it's a perfect time for me to check on my mushrooms. Woohoo! Look at that. I happen to have a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can use a freezer bag and bring it all to one end and cut a little hole in it. I like to put it in another bowl, and it makes it easy for you to stuff in clam Neptune mix. Check it out. Now for the fun part, just pipe away. Sweet. Now you need to top it with a little cheese. Oh, yes. Few minutes, when it's crispy, it's done. Woo! Look at how bubbly and crispy that is. All I want to do is eat it, so I think I will. Look at that. Crispy cheese, creamy. It's everything you want in a Neptune. I don't want to be too fancy here, so just a bit of chive. Yeah, perfect. And some lemon. Get your respirator and your mask, because I'm gonna scuba dive into this. It's so clean. It's tart, it's creamy. You can taste the clam. I love this, and so will my friends. Nice shirt, dude.
Cheers.
Cheers.